Break down. Meaning, to stop functioning, for machines or vehicles, or to become very emotional. Example 1. My car broke down on the way to work. Example 2. After hearing the bad news, she broke down in tears. Run into. Meaning, to meet someone unexpectedly. Example 1. I ran into an old friend at the grocery store. Example 2. She ran into her teacher at the mall. Look forward to. Meaning, to anticipate something with pleasure. Example 1. I look forward to the weekend. Example 2. We are looking forward to the party next week. Put off. Meaning, to postpone or delay something. Example 1. We had to put off the meeting until next week. Example 2. Don't put off doing your homework until the last minute. Give up. Meaning, to stop trying or to quit something. Example 1. He gave up smoking last year. Example 2. Don't give up on your dreams. Call off. Meaning, to cancel something. Example 1. They called off the wedding due to a family emergency. Example 2. The game was called off because of rain. Pick up. Meaning, to lift something or someone, or to learn something new. Example 1. Can you pick up the kids from school? Example 2. She picked up Spanish while living in Spain. Turn down. Meaning, to reject or refuse something or someone. Example 1. He turned down the job offer. Example 2. She turned down the invitation to the party. Turn up. Meaning, to appear or arrive, often unexpectedly. Example 1. He turned up at the party even though he said he couldn't come. Example 2. My keys turned up in the kitchen drawer. Show up. Meaning, to arrive or appear at an event. Example 1. She showed up late to the meeting. Example 2. Only a few people showed up for the lecture.